you wanted to kill your enemy. You killed the wrong person. Are you still guilty? Under Article 4, absolutely. Article 4 of the revised penal code says you're criminally liable for committing a felony even if the wrongful act is different from what you intended. This gives us three doctrines: error in personae, mistake of identity. You aimed at A but killed B thinking B was A. One victim. Penalty follows Article 49. The lesser penalty between the crime committed and the crime intended applied in its maximum period. Aberratio ictus, mistake of blow. You aimed at A, missed, and hit B instead, at least two victims. If one act produced crimes against both, it's a compound crime under Article 48. Praeter intentionem, the result is graver than intended. You only meant to punch someone, pero namatay. You're liable for homicide, but with the mitigating circumstance of lack of intent to commit so grave a wrong. Important, Article 4 only applies to intentional felonies. Kung self-defense or accident ang ginawa mo, hindi applicable. In People vs. Flora, 2000, the accused treacherously fired his rifle at his target. A stray bullet killed a bystander. The Supreme Court convicted him of two separate counts of murder because the bullets that killed each victim were different. Hindi single act, kaya hindi complex crime. But in People vs. Gillen, 1950, throwing a single grenade that killed one and injured another equals compound crime. One act, two results. Wrong person, missed shot, or graver result. Article 4 holds you liable. The law doesn't care about your mistake. That's part 6. Next, impossible crime. When you can't commit the crime, pero may penalty pa rin. Subscribe, like, and share for law's sake for more videos.